The stealth developers community server in Mountain Base has issued a severe Viper warning for the following locations: town, warehouse, satellite, radio. Until 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a Viper was detected near town, moving rapid southeast, at 200 miles per hour. Hazard: unguided hydras, and 20mm turret. Source: radio tower radar. Impacts: you are in a life-threatening situation. Unguided hydras may be dead to those caught without shelter. Mobile ATVs and buggies will be destroyed. Considerable damage to Humvees, BTRs and tanks is likely, and complete destruction is possible. This dangerous Viper will be near Radio Tower, around 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Locations/other locations impacted by this Viper include Black Hawk Crash Site, Dead Tree Hill, Canyon, Outskirts. This includes main road in town between mile markers 1 and 2. Precaution/preparedness actions. To repeat, a large, extreme dangerous, and potentially dead Viper is in the air. To protect you and your squad mates' lives, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of sturdy building. Avoid windows/stay away from thin walls. If in a vehicle, a helicopter, or on foot, move to the closest substantial building and protect yourself from flying Vipers. If you or a squad mate possess an RPG-7 or FIM-92 Stinger, avoid targeting the Viper unless absolutely necessary. This is an official warning from the stealth developers community. Stay safe, soldier.